This is just what you wanted, isn't it, Val? Oh, this is what you wanted, so nobody was behind you.
So now no one gets my hair.
You got it, Val. You got what you asked for. How about that?
This jacket. It's purple. It has all the Disney 100 characters.
Cool.
Not all of them, but it has like individuals like Mickey, Minnie, Daisy, Donald,
Sloopy.
I love how
Bumba's Way.
I love how Rex looks so scary, and then
He goes, Lord.
he's supposed to be. He looks so scary on the box, and then he's just get out.
Yeah.
Rex, get out. He's just Rex.
Mr. Prickle Pants is over there. Look.
Rex.
The picture of Mr. Prickle Pants. You see him right over there. It says Mr. Prickle Pants in big words. And take your bag off.
I'm gonna have to. Oh, it's coming glitter.
It's okay.
There we go.
There you go.
Y'all ready to dash around in this backyard?
Yeah.
Darn it, let's go.
Oh, okay. Hands in the air, kid.
Hang on. Here we go.
Whoa!
That's the high school rally.
Yeah?
Spelled it F-I-N-A-L-E. That's the high school rally.
Friendship will never die. You're gonna see enough fun. You stay seated till we come to a complete stop. And grab your things and step out to your right. So long, pal.
Esse é muito gostoso.